Disclaimer: this report is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. The writer is not a SEBI registered advisor and holds no responsibility for any investment decisions or losses. Welcome to Tilaknagar Industries Limited, a company with a global vision in the alcoholic beverage industry. Let's explore the journey and achievements of Tilaknagar Industries. Tilaknagar Industries Limited is a leading manufacturer and marketer of Indian-made foreign liquor, with a strong legacy and growing footprint across key regions. Known for its flagship product, Mansion House Brandy, TI holds the distinction of being the largest-selling brandy in India and the second largest globally. The company enjoys a strong brand recall, particularly in southern markets, with a diversified product portfolio. Tilaknagar Industries boasts a diverse brand portfolio, with brandy accounting for approximately 94% of total revenue. Their offerings include Mansion House Brandy, C&B Brandy, and Monarch Legacy Edition Brandy, among others. The portfolio also spans whiskey, gin, rum, and cocktail mixers, catering to a wide range of consumer preferences. Tilaknagar Industries is the third largest P&A-IMFL player in Telangana and Karnataka, with a strong market presence in Puducherry. Mansion House Brandy is India's number 1 and the world's number 2 selling brandy. The company has a robust market position across various segments, from luxury to popular brands, showcasing its competitive edge. With 19 manufacturing units, Tilaknagar Industries has a comprehensive infrastructure, including owned plants and contract units. Their distribution network spans state corporations, direct sales, and distributors, with an export footprint across Asia, Africa, Middle East, and Europe. Strategic alliances, like the one with Pernod Ricard, enhance their global reach. The geographical sales mix highlights the dominance of the southern region, contributing 85.45% to total sales. The company also has a presence in eastern, western, and international markets, with exports and institutional sales accounting for 8.55%. This diverse sales mix underscores Tilaknagar's expansive market reach. Tilaknagar Industries is investing ₹35.50 crore to expand the Prague distillery in Andhra Pradesh, increasing capacity from 6 lakh cases per year to 36 lakh cases. The company is actively pursuing premiumization across IMFL segments, with new launches and expansions in their brand portfolio, enhancing their market position. The geographic spread of Tilaknagar's facilities is extensive, with units across various states, including Jammu, Punjab, Sikkim, and more. This widespread presence ensures efficient production and distribution, supporting their growth strategy and market penetration. Tilaknagar Industries' shareholding pattern reflects stability and growth, with strategic acquisitions like Imperial Blue from Pernod Ricard. This acquisition, valued at 4,150 crore Indian rupees, is set to expand the company's whiskey presence across India, marking a significant milestone in their growth journey. Tilaknagar Industries' recent actions signal an aggressive growth strategy focused on expanding its market presence and product portfolio within the Indian alcoholic beverage industry. The acquisitions from Pernod Ricard are transformative, positioning the company as a leader in the premium whiskey segment. For further information, look references in detail. Remember, this is not financial advice, and you should conduct your own analysis before making any investment decisions.